How's Alodia and Ashley? How are you guys?
Wow, super excited ang aming tao. Thank you sa lahat na pumunta sa Toy Con today. Oh my God. Thank you. Ayun, thank you din. We're having fun so far. Are you guys having fun so far? Yes! Yes! Malapit na yung cosplay. Abangan natin.
Okay, so for now, alright, we will ask Alodia and Ashley to prepare for judging, right? We will ask you to judge our cosplay. So okay lang, we will ask them to prepare for a while so that they can also, powder up and whatever, right? Is that okay?
Okay, thanks guys. To the ones who were lining up in our booth, we'll come back. Don't worry, after the cosplay, promise, we'll be back.
Thank you very much. So my dear marshals, can you please escort our ladies, okay, again to be backstage, alright? So, here we go. Can I have a line of marshals, please?
NPSG.
Okay, marshals, kayo nang bahala sa ating mga cosplay contestants, alright? Alright, take care. Alright. Okay,
Gagawa yan ng ano.
Perfect.
Parang ano lang yung secret service lang yun. Ay, bet hindi ka gagawa ng sarili mong media ID sa ako na lang. Ha? Ako na lang gagawa ng sarili kong media ID. Ano? Ginawa lang ba, hindi ba binigay ng ano?